Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to the coastal community of Eastpoint, Florida. Situated in Franklin County, Eastpoint is a genuine fishing village nestled along the northern shore of Apalachicola Bay. This area is part of Florida's Forgotten Coast, celebrated for its unspoiled landscapes and rich maritime heritage. Historically, Eastpoint has been the heart of Franklin County's seafood industry. For generations, local families have engaged in oyster harvesting, shrimping, and fishing, supplying fresh seafood to markets near and far. The town's waterfront is lined with rustic seafood houses and docks, where hard-working oystermen and fishermen unload their daily catch. This enduring commitment to traditional fishing practices has shaped Eastpoint's identity and economy. Eastpoint is positioned on a peninsula bordered by East Bay to the west, Apalachicola Bay to the southwest, and St. George Sound to the southeast. The nearby beaches boast white sands and clear waters, providing stunning sunsets and a tranquil environment for relaxation. Eastpoint also serves as a gateway to several natural attractions. The Apalachicola National Estuarine Research Reserve, one of the largest reserves in the United States, is located nearby. This protected area offers opportunities for wildlife observation, fishing, and exploring the diverse ecosystems of the region. Additionally, Eastpoint provides access to St. George Island, a barrier island known for its pristine beaches and recreational activities. As the journey through Eastpoint continues, the blend of maritime tradition, natural beauty, and coastal charm becomes evident, showcasing the unique character of this Florida community.
Thank you.